Hello, welcome to the Free to Fosters tutorial on just how to um, create or use the app. I am on the sign up page. You can start here to create your account. You enter an email, password, your zip code, and if you are a foster, you will enter your foster ID. If you are not a foster family member user, you will just leave that blank and then you will sign up. I'm just going to log in with some accounts that I already have so that way it'll be quicker. So first, let's look at the user role. So if you are a user, you are somebody who just wants to donate items to foster families. So that is who you are. Here you see the main page. This is where all the listings of all the different items that have been offered to donate lie. We have a search bar if you want to search for something. And then if you want to donate something, you would come down here to the create option. This is where you come in, you add a title, you add a description, and you add a picture. You can add a tag based off what kind of like category it would be under, and then you would create this. So that's how you create an option. Another option, or another thing I want to point out to the user is that you will have the request page here. The request is how the foster families are basically, this is things that they have requested that they need. And so what you would do is you could scroll through here, see something that maybe you have. So maybe you have some 34 pants for a boy that you have lying around that you don't longer need. This is a need for somebody, and so you could go and create that item, and then that foster family can then go on and claim it. You have a profile page. This will just kind of allow you to have your information, and also any requests that you make or any donations that you make will show up here. Obviously, you will not have any requests or claimed items. So next, I'll go over the other pages with the other ones. So next, we're going to do the foster. So the foster role is any foster families that are using this app to find items that they need. It looks basically the exact same. You just have more functionality. So you also can create items that if you need to. If you want to create a request, you would simply come in here, you click this plus item, and this is how you create a request. You just add a title, description, and some tags just to kind of help describe the object that you're looking for. You click save, and it'll get saved to this page here. I'm also going to point out the map page. This is where all the items or like all the different locations where you can pick up an object are. And so this will be have all the locations and also some items that are at those locations. And your profile, again, any donations that you make, any requests that you make, and any items that you have claimed will show up here. So let me show you an example of that. If you wanted this thing, if you needed this photo, you would come down here, and this is when you click on an item, this is what it will look like. It'll have the picture, it'll have the title, any description or tags that have been added onto it will be here. This is to just close back out to the main page. But let's say you want to claim it. You would click claim, and then you have claimed the photo. So then it gets rid of it on this main page here. Obviously, there's also a search bar like I've mentioned, so that way you can search. There's also a search on the request page, so you can request there. But if you go to your profile page, you can then see that you have claimed the photo. If you have any donations or requests, you can click on those, and I will show you that with the next account. So the last account that I'm going to show you is the admin role. This is for anybody who is working for the DSS. This is the type of role that you will have. Again, you can see everything, and you will have all the same pages as everybody else, and you can see everything that the foster family can see. But you also have your additional page here in the admin where you have some additional admin um, options and properties for you. So if you go back to the profile page, like I was saying, so you can see that this person has made a donation, and you can click on it and you can update it, the title, the description, any pictures you want to add. You can update it. You can also update your requests, so you can update, what your request says, and yeah. So that is basically everything for this app. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys out on the app. Thank you.